Hello friends, this is the 33 number numerical from the exercise. The rate constant for the reaction at 300 Kelvin and 350 Kelvin are 8 and 160 liter mole per second. Okay, then respectively calculate the activation energy in kilojoule per mole. So friend, let's start to solve this problem. First of all, we will write down the given terms. Then, what is the given? There is a two temperature, T1, T2. T1 is 300 Kelvin. T2 is 350 Kelvin. Okay. Respectively, the rate constant also given here. K1 8 liter mole per second. On the basis of unit, we also find out the rate constant is second order reaction. Yes. Then 160 liter mole per second. This is the given terms. Okay. Now, what we want to find? We want to find out activation energy. The unit also given here. In kilojoule per mole we want to find out. And friends, R is given, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. This is the value of R which are given. So friend, which equation we use for this? The equation is very simple. Log K2 by K1 is equal to activation energy by 2.303 into R T2 minus T1 upon T2 into T1. This equation we will use for solve this problem. So friends, this equation we had studied in previous video. This equation is very important. Now look toward this. The equation can contain two different temperature, two different rate constant values. R is given and we just want to find out activation energy. So friend, we just rearrange this equation into the form of activation energy calculation. Okay. Now, log K2 by K1. This is this term at the denominator. This term come here 2.303 R. This term is also come here T2 into T1 upon T2 minus T1. Okay. Wait a minute. After rearranging this equation properly, we will be get that EA is equal to, I just rearrange this equation in this form, only in the proper sequence. Okay. 2.303 R into T2 into T1 by T2 minus T1 log of K2 upon K1. This is the arrangement of the equation, and in this equation I just substitute the given values and we will get the answer. I just rub it because our basic equation we will be get for the activation energy. That is this one. Now friends, look here. 2.303 R value is given, that is 8.314. Then substitute the value of temperature 350 into how much? 300. 350 minus 300 bracket complete log of K2 value is given, yeah, 160. And K1 is also given, that is the 8. Now friends, first multiply this term and go step by step. You will get the answer for this multiplication 19.147. Okay. Then this subtraction value you will be get here 50. And this multiplication I do on the calci, that is 105000. Now 8 ones are 1, 8 twos are 16, log of 20. There is no need of calci here actually, because log of 2 you know that 0.3010. And here 20, therefore we will be get 1.3010. Remember, log of 2, 0.3010, and log of 20, there is a 2 number, therefore one characteristics number is increased here. Okay. Now, this is the value. Now, when multiplying this, you will be get I just divide this. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, remaining 0 is as it is, into 1.3010. Friends, here we will be get very simple straight numbers, and I just multiplied it step by step. What is our first term? 19.147 into 21,000. Division is also very simple here. No. Okay, I just multiplied here. So friends, I have got here the answer 523115.187, and this answer in joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay, this answer joule per mole per Kelvin. But we want to find out answer in kilojoule per mole. Therefore, I just divide this term by the 1000 and I will be get 23.115187 kilojoule per mole per Kelvin. Kilojoule per mole. Okay. So friends, this is the answer for activation energy which we will have been find out here. Okay, then we will try to solve the next numerical.